Hazrat Ali said about calling as Man zanna bi irzihi fal yada il mira'a. He who cherishes honor will stay away from calling. Iyyakum washabal khusumat. Stay away from quarrelsome people. If there is a dispute between two people, then who will take the initiative to satisfy other will get the reward in the hereafter. Man jawaba safiha qad wada al hataba al nar. He who answers a fool is like adding wood to the fire. Calling and unnecessary arguments will destroy your personality. Someone asked Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Ayyul Islam, what is Islam? He replied, Al Muslimuna man salim al Muslimuna min lisanihi wa yadihi. A Muslim is one from whose hands and tongue other Muslims are safe. A believer doesn't curse and speak obscenely. Iyaka wa masharatan nasi fa innaha takshiful awrata wa tazhabu bil iz. Avoid calling because it shows the defects of a person and destroys his dignity. According to Surah Al-Anfal, ayat number 46. Wala tanaza'u fatafshalu wa tazhaba rihukum wasbiru. And don't quarrel with one another, lest you should lose courage and your power depart. Imam Zainul Abidin prayed as Allahumma inni a'udhu bika shakasatil khulq. Ya Allah, I seek your refuge from the bad morals. Urdu poet Qatil Shafai composed his verse as जितने भी लफ्ज हैं वो महते गलाब हैं, लहजे के फर्क से उन्हें तलवार मत बना। वो एक बात बहुत तलह कही उसने, बात तो याद नहीं, याद है लहजा उसका।